On your iPhone's home screen, find and open the App Store. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the Account Authentication. This will take you to your account overview page. To view and manage your payment methods, tap on your name and email at the very top. At this point, you will need to authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID to proceed. Removing the card, find the payment method you wish to delete and tap on it. On the next page, scroll to the bottom and you will see the option Remove Payment Method. Tap it, then confirm by tapping Remove again in the pop-up message. Adding a new method, optional. If you want to add a new card, simply go back to the Manage Payments page and tap Add Payment Method. From there, you can fill in your new card details manually. Conclusion, and that's it. That is how you manage and remove cards from your iPhone.
With your profile icon in the top right, and then press your name and account at the top. In account settings you can press Manage Payments, and in here you can go and press Add Payment Method. Choose what you want to add or do a credit or debit card, and you can then go and scan it by pressing the camera or typing the detail. When ready you press Done in the top right. You can see it's now been added, and will be able to use it.